You may be wondering why we're human. You may be wondering why we're here at all. Or you may be wondering why there's a pair of Vans next to me. What up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's Jesus, and I actually bought these bad boys at the thrift store. Now I know some people are like, yo, that's pretty crusty. These actually were like $7 as opposed to 60, so that's actually really good, especially in the condition that they were in. These were like brand new. I mean, I let them sit in hot water with soap for a little bit, and I gave them a good old scrubbing. But for the most part, they were pretty much like this, so they were pretty much fresh out the box. I think they just didn't want this little cut, or yeah, this little rip right here. That's probably why, you know, people don't care. But I mean, hey, there's nothing wrong with that. So I figured, why not doodle on these? That would look pretty cool. Plus, it's a cool video idea. So pimp my ride, pimp my shoes. So I guess you'll see the mess along the way. If at any point in time you like this video, drop a like, drop a comment letting me know what you thought, or any video suggestions, or just to say hola. And don't forget to tell the homies and the home gals and spread the word, keep creating, and you have a wonderful day. As you can see, I started off with a very light sketch of whatever I had in my mind at the time, and I couldn't really see the pencil, so it didn't really do much, but you know, it helped in some shape, way, or form. But I used that to give me a guide for when I actually lay the ink down. Little did I dream, oh, little did I dream, oh. So how I went about this drawing is I actually kind of just went for it. I didn't really have a plan. I kind of just thought about things in my head, you know, that I was interested in, things that I did in past drawings, so I could incorporate them into the shoes here. I didn't really have a plan to start off. I kind of just went with it. I actually really like how these shoes turned out. Yeah, I know, I stick out my tongue every time I be drawing. But you know what? That actually really helps with concentration. So if you ever see me drawing, you know that I'm be sticking my tongue out like a fucking lizard. Nom 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 nom.
So much faster than more. So much faster than more. Little girls run faster than more. Little girls grow up so much faster than more. So much faster than more.
4 or 5 hours actually to do, so I think they turned out pretty good for the time lapse that I did them in.
Little girls cry faster than baby, please have a little patience with me. Baby, please have a little patience with me. Baby, please have a little patience with me. Baby, please have a little patience with me.
Alright, so wrapping it up here, just wanted to tell you guys thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. And let me know what you think about the overall shoes and how they came out. Would you rock these bad boys or not? Let me know in the comment section below. Drop some video suggestions. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and spread the word and keep creating. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Look at that, fresh as hell. Peace.
Here we go, so much faster than more.